Hey buddy.
Bro, lockdown is done. Let's go out. Meet me at a spot?
Go out? Okay, but let's avoid our spot as it's a crowded place. Meet me below my building. Bro, let's maintain social distancing.
Dude, I am not infected and I am your best buddy.
Yes, you are my best buddy. But how do you know I am not infected? Let's be cautious and follow the protocol. It's for everyone's safety. And where's your mask?
Lockdown is over. I don't need a mask.
Yes, you do. I know you would not be carrying one. I've got an extra one for you. Keep this. Wear it now.
Can we go now? I'm dying for that coffee.
Coffee can wait. We need to go to the optician first. My glasses need repair.
Is that safe?
Yes, it is. See this.
Hello sir, welcome to our store. How can we help you?
I need to make new spectacles. Can we have a look?
Yeah, right. How is this safer than going out?
Sir, allow me to explain. We sanitize the shop twice in a day. All the frames and sunglasses are disinfected. Every person working here is healthy and takes precautions. We all use the mask all the time. We also do thermal scanning for every customer at the entrance. We sanitize clinic equipments after every use, as patients would have had physical contact with certain parts. We request you to do the following. Please sanitize your hands on entering the store. Please keep safe distance between you and others. Give preference to senior citizens, pregnant women, and the specially able. Please be patient and wait for your turn. Please try as few frames as possible, as all the frames will have to go under the elaborate disinfection process.
Oh, got it. Impressive.
You understand now?
Eye care is your essential need, and we are here to service you every time you need it.
You should get your spectacles fixed too. Yes, then only you will be able to see the new Norma.
I got it, buddy. Now this is my new buddy. Just kidding, bro.